Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to wire a photocell feeding 3 lights, like you see in this diagram. In this project I'm going to be using electrical metal tubing and octagonal metal boxes where I'm going to be running my wires number 12 American wire gauge. For this project we are going to be running 3 wires, number 12 green, white and black. The green wire will be our ground, white wire our neutral, and last our black wire as our phase. We keep running 3 wires in each of our boxes. Then we connect our ground pigtails to each one of our metal boxes. This is the photocell we are going to be using, which bring 1 white wire, 1 black wire, and 1 red wire. White is our neutral, black our common, and red the load. Now we insert the photocell to the first metal box where we run our first 3 wires coming from the circuit or breaker box. Now we splice all the green wires together. Now we splice all the white wires together. Now we splice the phase or black wire coming from our breaker box with the common or black wire coming out of the photocell. Your splices should be looking like this. Now we splice the red wire or load coming out from the photocell to the black wire feeding all the lights in the circuit. Then we install our light. If you have a ground in your light, connect the green wire. In this case, I don't have a ground on my light, so I will connect the neutral wire first. Now we connect the black wire from the light to the red or load wire coming out from the photocell, and the black wire going to our next light. Do the same for the rest of the lights. Test for short circuit before turning on the breaker. And if you cover the photocell, your light should turn on. And if you uncover it, it should go off if there's any type of light heating your photocell. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.